All right, guys, this is your next lesson, day 2 of this week. It's word problems. So you're going to do solve equations with two variables. The example here, you guys can look at that yourself. I'm just going to go straight to the problems with you guys, and then you guys can always reach out if you need help. So first thing we're going to do, I'm going to put my color, and I'm going to choose my marker because the marker shows up better. A mechanic repairs Mr. Estes' car. The amount for parts, so parts is $48. The rate, that's a key word, for the mechanic is $40 per hour. Write and solve an equation to find the total cost of repairs to Mr. Estes' car if the mechanic works for 1.5 hours. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say the cost of the repair C equals the flat rate is $48. So I'm going to put $48 plus his hourly rate, which is $40 per hour. $40 per hour times T, where T is time. So we already know $48 is his flat fee, $40 an hour, and time is 1.5 hours. So C equals 48, and we know that this is dollars, plus $40 per hour times 1.5 hours. All right, and when I do that, I know that hours are on bottom, cancel out with that hours on top, so I get cost equals $48 plus 40 times 1.5 is 60, and what's left over is dollars and dollars here, so I can add them up because they're both dollars, and my total is $108. And we can move on to the next one. Mr. Moore purchases an inflatable kayak weighing 30 pounds from an online company. The standard rate to ship his purchase is $2.99 plus 85 cents per pound. Write and solve an equation to find the total amount Mr. Moore will pay to have the kayak shipped to his home. So what we have is shipping cost, I'll label it S, equals the flat rate, the flat fee is $2.99 plus his rate is 0.85 times the pounds. So we'll put L for LBS, pounds. So when I fill this in, I already know 2.99 plus 0.85 times the weight is 30. So this equals 0.85 times 30 is 2550. So 2.99 plus, and that's a decimal there, plus 2550. And when I add them, I get $28.49. And that's that. And then I'm going to leave the next two for you guys to do. Pretty simple, but I'll set up the equation for you for this one. The speed of sound, we're going to call that V, is 1,088 feet per second. at sea level, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Write an equation to find the distance in 8 seconds under these conditions. So I'm going to say v, the speed of sound, equals 1,088 feet per second times t, which is our time. So this equals 1,088 feet per second times 8 seconds. And remember, the seconds on bottom cancels out with the seconds on top, so I get 1,088 times 8, which is 8,704 feet. Excuse me. And I'm going to leave you guys with number 4 to do on your own. And this is the last problem that you have for today. All right, guys, have a good day.